Today we're going to talk about setting the storm tracks and determining the estimate time of arrival for an IDSS event using GR2Analyst. Hello, I'm Reed Hawkins, the Science and Operations Officer at the National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina.
From the latest image on the radar, select the place marker here. Then what you want to do is back up to the first frame or a few frames back. Then right click again and set your place marker in the location you want to measure from. So right click, select place marker again. Then on that red dot, just right click and select storm track here. Then as you can see, the storm track is displayed.
One final note, the storm track tool has 4 tick marks, each represents 15-minute intervals. So you can estimate the time based on the time of the image and the location of the tick marks. I hope this helps explain this feature a little bit better to you. Thank you and have a good day.